It's truly sad that a lot of people can't critically think for themselves to create their own opportunities to properly make a decision or multiple decisions that benefit them, than being counterproductive by listening to people from online and offline to their environment. Honestly, it's up to you to learn how to critically think for you by educating yourself. I don't know that these schools are teaching critical thinking skills nowadays, so do what's work for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and find it valuable and educational. Have a good day.